So now the first thing we need to do is to create a new fill layer. So go to Pixel and then select new fill layer, left click. So I'm going to change the color to white. And now in order to create a sunburst background, go to the shape tool, left click, and then select the cog tool. So you'll be able to create this effect in all studios, layout, pixel, and vector. So now I am on the cog tool, left click here on the presets, and then I'm going to select this one here. And now in order to create a perfect shape here of the sunburst, hold the shift key and then drag to create it. So here it is. Now we can't see the stripes here because the color is white. So for example, let's change it to red. And now as you can see, there are settings here. This is the teeth. This is the number of stripes. So if I decrease it, so here it is. I'm going to change it back to 24, press enter. This is the inner radius. So it will increase the size of the circle here inside. So here it is. The whole radius won't work on this effect here, on this shape here. This is the tooth size. This is the size of the stripes here. So for the notch size and the curvature, it won't work here. So now let's select the move tool. So now left click on it, right click, I'm going to center it, alignment, select center, and then right click, alignment, select middle. And now in order to scale it proportionally, hold down the control key and the shift key and then scale it up. So here it is. So for example, I'm going to reduce the number of teeth, increase to 16. So now I'm going to change the color here. You want to change the color of the background, just select the fill layer. So as you can see, I'm on the move tool. Make sure you're on color. And then here you can change it. So I think I'm going to leave it with the white color.